Okay, so for today for vocabulary, we have 5 words. We have the word sum, difference, order of operations, Pemdas, and evaluate. Now, sum and difference we've been talking about in fluency, and order of operation, Pemdas, we're going to be talking about this week in our lessons. And evaluate, you've been listening and hearing that for some time now, and we're going to now put that into our vocabulary words. So the first word is sum. I've given you the example using decimal points, and they drop their decimal point down, they've lined up to their digits, and the most important thing here is to notice that there's an addition sign. So sum is the answer to an addition problem. So we're going to click and drag the answer to an addition problem. Then we have the word difference. Difference here is the answer to a subtraction problem. So now we need to find one of our examples that is subtracting, which is right here. Now, just like last week, the yellow boxes go in the yellow column and the white boxes go in the white column, if you haven't figured that out yet. So now we have order of operations. Order operations is when you are given multiple different operations in a problem. So you may be given a problem that has addition, subtraction, and multiplication in it, and you have to solve it. You may be given a problem that has subtraction and division and multiplication in it. And there's a certain order that you have to solve them in order to get them correct. So the rules that state the sequence in which the multiply operation in an expression should be solved. So again, there's an order to the way you solve it, and that's the definition. So we're looking here, and we're trying to find what's the order. Here, you notice they are solving and they've color-coded the order that they solve the problem in. So that is order of operations. Pemdas we use to help us solve the order of operation type problems, and we call that an acronym. It's just an abbreviation for words put together to help us remember something. So the acronym of the words are parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So they've taken the first letter of each of these words here and they put them to make Pemdas. So Pemdas is the example. And then you have the word evaluate. If you notice, they're doing 2 plus 5 equals 12. 3 plus 6 is 21, and then 8 plus 9, they're asking you what would that be, and you would say 19. Evaluate is just a fancy word to say to solve or find the value of. Okay, so evaluate would be to solve. All right, so these are the words that we're going to be focusing on this week. So please, if you need to use this as a reference, this will be in your math reference book that you can click on. That will be linked in the slides that you can use it for. All right, if you have any questions, please contact me. I'll be glad to help you.